Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you've ever felt nervous ordering food in English, especially with dietary needs, then this video is your master key. Forget the stiff, outdated lines from your textbook. Today, we're diving into a complete, natural, and truly professional conversation between a customer with specific dietary restrictions and a highly trained waiter. We'll do it slowly so you can repeat with us. Are you ready? Let's go to the restaurant.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Olive Garden. How are you folks doing tonight?
Hi, we're good, thank you. We have a reservation under Johnson's.
Johnson? Yes, party of two. Perfect. Right this way, please. Here's a nice table by the window. Is this okay?
Oh, this is perfect. Thank you so much.
Great. Here are your menus. Can I start you off with something to drink? Maybe some wine or cocktails?
Just water for me, please. Actually, do you have sparkling water?
Absolutely, San. Okay.
Perfect, thank you.
I'll be right back with that. Take your time with the menu. Walks away, returns 2 minutes later with water, upbeat. Here's your sparkling water. Have you had a chance to look at the menu?
Yes, but I have to admit, I'm a little overwhelmed. I have some dietary restrictions, and I'm not sure what I can order.
Oh, no worries at all. That's what I'm here for. What kind of restrictions are we working with? I'm happy to help. Okay, shellfish allergy and gluten sensitivity. Got it. Let me tell you, we can absolutely work with that. First of all, I want you to know we take allergies very seriously here. I'll make sure the kitchen knows about the shellfish.
Oh, thank you. That makes me feel so much better.
Now for gluten-free options, we actually have quite a few dishes. Do you like pasta? Because we have gluten-free pasta available.
Really, I love pasta. What sauces can I have with it?
Great question. So our marinara is gluten-free. Our pesto is gluten-free. And we have a really delicious garlic and olive oil sauce. That's my personal favorite for the gluten-free pasta. All of those are safe for you.
The pesto sounds amazing. But wait, does the pesto have any seafood in it? I know sometimes restaurants add anchovies to sauces.
That's a really good question. Most people don't think to ask that. Our pesto is just basil, pine nuts, parmesan, garlic, and olive oil. No seafood at all. You're completely safe.
Perfect, okay. I think I'll go with the gluten-free pasta with pesto. But can I ask, is it possible to add grilled chicken to that?
Absolutely, we can add grilled chicken, no problem. Would you like any vegetables with that? We can add roasted vegetables on the side if you'd like.
Oh yes, that would be great. What vegetables do you have?
Tonight we have zucchini, bell peppers, and they're roasted with olive oil and herbs. Really simple and delicious.
That sounds perfect. I'll take that.
An excellent choice. So that's gluten-free pasta, with pesto sauce, grilled chicken, and a side of roasted vegetables. And I'll make a note about the shellfish allergy for the kitchen. Anything else I can get for you?
Actually, one more thing. Do you have any gluten-free desserts? I know I'm being picky, but I might want something sweet after dinner.
You're not being picky at all. Yes, we have a flourless chocolate cake that's gluten-free and it's incredible. We also have gelato. Most of our flavors are gluten-free. I can bring you the list later if you want.
The chocolate cake sounds amazing. Thank you so much for being so patient with me.
My pleasure. That's literally my job, and I want you to enjoy your meal safely. Your order will be out in about 15-20 minutes. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you so much. Okay, let's break this down section by section. I'll explain the key phrases, the emotions, and why native speakers say things this way.
Good evening, welcome to Olive Garden. How are you folks doing tonight?
Let's analyze this. Notice the waiter said folks, not you. If folks is warm and friendly, it's casual American English. The waiter is creating a welcoming atmosphere. He's asking, how are you doing? Not just how are you. Doing makes it more casual and genuine. The waiter is enthusiastic but professional. Not too energetic, not too formal, just right. And then I said, hi, we're good, thank you. We have a reservation under Johnson. Notice the Real English has hesitations. I was slightly nervous. The rising tone at the end, Johnson, asks it a question even though it's a statement. This is super common in English. We do this when we're slightly uncertain.
Right this way, please.
This is a standard phrase. Not come with me, but right this way. Very professional. Oh, this is perfect. Thank you so much. The O shows pleasant surprise. So much emphasizes gratitude. The customer is warming up, feeling more comfortable, pleased, relaxing a bit. Just water for me, please. Actually, do you have sparkling water? The and actually show the customer is thinking while speaking. This is natural. The actually shows they're changing or adding to what they just said. Native speakers do this constantly. Thoughtful, making decisions while speaking.
Absolutely, San, okay.
Absolutely is enthusiastic agreement, much better than just yes. Then the waiter offers a specific brand. This shows knowledge and professionalism. Helpful, accommodating. And then I said, yes, but I have to admit, I'm a little overwhelmed. I have to admit is a phrase we use before saying something vulnerable or honest. A little overwhelmed softens the statement. The customer is being honest but polite. Worried, uncertain, but trying to stay positive.
Oh, no worries at all, that's what I'm here for.
No worries at all is extremely reassuring. That's what I'm here for shows the waiter takes responsibility. This immediately makes the customer feel better. Empathetic, reassuring, professional. After that I said, well, I'm allergic to shellfish. Like, seriously allergic. Well, starts explanations. Like, seriously allergic emphasizes the severity. The like is filler but natural. Young English speakers especially use like frequently. Serious, wanting to be clear about safety.
Okay, shellfish allergy and gluten sensitivity, got it.
The waiter repeats back the information. This is excellent customer service. It confirms understanding. Got it is casual but shows comprehension. Attentive, taking it seriously.
Let me tell you, we can absolutely work with that.
Let me tell you is a phrase that introduces reassurance or important information. Absolutely, again, shows enthusiasm. The waiter is making the customer feel confident. Confident, knowledgeable, reassuring. I said, oh, thank you. That makes me feel so much better. So much better shows how worried they were before. The O expresses relief. Relieved, grateful.
Do you like pasta? Because we have gluten-free pasta available.
Simple question, then explanation with because. This is how we structure helpful suggestions. Not we have gluten-free pasta, but asking about preferences first. Helpful, trying to find what the customer enjoys. Really, I love pasta. Really shows pleasant surprise. The excitement comes through with I love pasta. Notice the emphasis on love. This shows genuine enthusiasm. Excited, happy about the options. Huh, the pesto sounds amazing. But wait, does the pesto have any seafood in it? Huh is thinking sound. But wait, introduces a new concern. Notice how the customer interrupts their own enthusiasm with a safety concern. This is realistic. Excited but cautious, safety conscious.
That's a really good question. Most people don't think to ask that.
The waiter validates the question. Really good question makes the customer feel smart, not annoying. This is excellent service language. Impressed, respectful. Perfect. Okay, I think I'll go with the gluten-free pasta with pesto. Perfect shows decision made. I think softens the statement. I'll go with is how we say I choose in restaurant context. Decided, confident now. But can I ask, is it possible to add grilled chicken to that? Can I ask is polite preamble. Is it possible is polite request language. Not can you add, but is it possible? More courteous. Hopeful but still polite, not demanding.
Absolutely, we can add grilled chicken, no problem.
No problem emphasizes ease. The waiter makes modifications seem simple, not burdensome. Accommodating, making it seem effortless. Actually, one more thing. Do you have any gluten-free desserts? I know I'm being picky. Actually, one more thing apologetically introduces another request. I know I'm being picky shows self-awareness. The customer apologizes preemptively. A bit embarrassed, apologetic but curious.
You're not being picky at all.
The waiter immediately contradicts the negative self-assessment. This is kind and professional. It makes the customer feel comfortable. Warm, genuine, reassuring. Thank you so much for being so patient with me. Final gratitude. So patient acknowledges the waiter's service. This is polite and creates good rapport. Genuinely grateful, relieved, happy.
My pleasure, that's literally my job, and I want you to enjoy your meal safely.
My pleasure is professional response to thanks. Literally, my job is casual but shows dedication. Safely shows the waiter understands the importance. Warm, professional, caring. Now let's practice key phrases slowly. Repeat after me. We have a reservation under Johnson. Do you have sparkling water? I have some dietary restrictions. I'm allergic to shellfish. I'm trying to avoid gluten. Does the pesto have any seafood in it? Can I ask, is it possible to add grilled chicken? Thank you so much for being so patient with me. Welcome, how are you folks doing tonight? Right this way, please. Can I start you off with something to drink? No worries at all, that's what I'm here for. We take allergies very seriously here. That's a really good question. Absolutely, we can add that, no problem. My pleasure, your order will be out in about 15-20 minutes. Great job, you've practiced the essential phrases. Now you're ready to use them in a real restaurant. And that's it, you just experienced a complete natural restaurant conversation in English. You heard the emotions, the hesitations, the politeness, the natural flow. This is exactly how native speakers order food. Here's what you learned today: how to explain dietary restrictions politely, how to ask questions about menu items, how to make special requests, how to show gratitude, and most importantly, how to sound natural and confident. Now here's your challenge. Next time you're in a restaurant, try using just 3 phrases from this video. Just 3, that's your starting point. Build from there. Practice makes perfect. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more real English practice videos. And comment below, what's your favorite food to order in a restaurant? I'll read every comment. Next week we're doing another, this time at the doctor's office. You don't want to miss it. Until then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, mistakes are proof you're trying. You've got this. See you in the next video.